Hi everybody, and welcome to the only portfolio you need. I want to show you a strategy that I have created using only free indicators from TradingView. This strategy made me 600% on the Bitcoin last year, and with the largest drawback of only 6%. I'm not kidding you. So this is a very, very good strategy. But there is a drawback that you need to trade it on the 4-hour. If you trade it on the 12-hour or the daily, your ROI will come back considerably or fall down. So I'm going to show you how to build it, and I think that this one I have really been working on this for a lot of years now, and I'm very confident that I have the algo that will make it or will give me a high ROI as the dynamics in the markets are right now. If it changes, I need to make some changes myself as well. All right, but I want to show you how I have created my algo, and you can do the same as me, or you can just use it as an idea to build your own strategy without coding, just by using different kind of indicators. Okay, so let's go right ahead, and here we have the Bitcoin chart, and the naked Bitcoin chart is made of candles, nothing fancy. So what I'll do, and I have been going through every indicator on the TradingView, it almost feels like, but the one that I'm using is the Bjorkum triple EMA strat. Okay, that is the BJ HEMA, and it looks like this. And I like to make some changes because I have backtested this as it is as a standard, and it's not the perfect conditions right now. So I need to change the settings in order to get a better ROI, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, because I don't like too many things on my chart, I'm gonna just remove all these plots just to make it easy and simple. So I just need to follow the candles. The next thing that you can choose whatever you want. I have my are looking like this, and yes. So now the colors are good. So the red is bearish candles. The white is just hold, don't do anything, and the blue is bullish. So one thing that I have been looking at is that you need to change the EMA. The fast one needs to be 12, either medium 21, and 35 on the slow one. All right, now we have the indicator ready, but it's not quite finished. So I used to trade just using this for a long time, and it's been serving me pretty well. But I found that I needed something that could get me quicker out of a trade. For example, one thing that for example, if I would trade this or this downward momentum, I would take the trade. Let's see. So I would take the trade here, and then as we went down and we have a pivot point, I would just move down my stop loss, and here that's the next one. I would move down my stop loss, and here I probably would move down my stop loss, but then I would probably move my stop loss to here, and then I would be out. So I needed some kind of system that could keep me in. So what I've done is that I have been using the Super Jump QQE modified multi-time frame by Super Jump, and it is pretty good as well. And it will keep, I'll just need to change the colors just to make it, I like to have the same colors, makes me sane. Right, maybe I should have this one. So all right, so if we look at this, so the one thing you could do is you could just move the stop loss as trade goes on and or goes longer down, and still, if I would be wicked out here, that would be like 11-12%, which is very good. But when you use the QQE, I basically look at these gray areas to get me out. So I didn't have that, I wouldn't be wigged out here, and the gray area would be a potential get out point. But that's where I would move my stop loss to here, because that is the latest pivot point, and then I would just go on, and when there, and here when it turns around completely, this is where I need to get out. So it is wide, is telling me, the main algo is telling me to just take it easy, but this is already also telling me to, you know, start to get out. So so this is the area that I would get out, so that I could squeeze some more out of it. But you need to you know, to do your own rules for how to get out. The other thing that I have found that served me well is just to take the relative strength index, and I would change to the EMA. The MA settings, I really love when you combine an indicator with an EMI, because that's where the magic happens. I would just need to change just some, yeah, and I would just take this away. Yeah, okay. So the other thing is that I would change the input here, the EMA. I would change it to 35. I need a long EMA for this one. So it could really serve you the same way. If you see here, the RSI is going, is crossing the EMA here, and which tells you that we are in a downtrend movement. And it actually crosses here, it starts to cross. So this could also be used as an exit indicator if you want to, or at least that it tells you that there is some buying going on, some momentum. The other that is opposite your direction, your trade, so you can put your stop loss in place. And even here, this tells you that when the RSI is above the 35 EMA, it tells you that it's time to think about getting out. And it's pretty early to tell, exactly like the QQE. And you can always discuss, you can always cherry pick a chart and say, oh, but you should do this and you should do that. But as a main rule, if you get out when the RSI crosses the long-term EMA, or the QQE when it's getting gray and it's above the long-term EMA, if you get out all of these times, you will long-term be satisfied compared to just moving with the candles, because that could kill you in areas like this where it just changes to red, white, blue, and so on and so forth. So this is an indicator that is very good. I would say that, you know, you can always just, this is let's see, you could check the borders out like this, and you could change just to make it nice and smooth. This is how I like to have the wicks as well, so you can actually see what's going on underneath. So now we have a really good indicator and a strategy that will serve you well. All right, so I really hope that you like this video and you like this strategy. It's free and it's it's very, very good, as you see. I just I'm just in the process of back testing it on Ethereum as well, and it's looking even better on Ethereum. So I think I'm gonna trade it on the Ethereum as well. So I hope you like this content. So please help me and build this channel, and like and subscribe and share it with everybody. And if you want me to help you or to backtest some other indicators, let me know, and I will take a look at it. So everybody, take care and don't go all in.